welcome back to Aegis Armors. Today we're going to do a quick instructional video on how to use our spray-on ceramic SHIELD Elite. This product lasts up to 12 months and it's an easy application.
All right, you want to start by shaking the bottle, and then you want to make sure you just do the unlock button. You just twist it to the side, and then you want to start off by spraying initially 6 times on your sponge. All right. To apply the coating, you just want to start off by an X pattern. So just pick a spot and drag it across, and then you do it the same again. And then what I like to do is just go around the sides. And then you want to fill in your spots. Just do a side-to-side motion. And now you want to let the coating sit for about 30 seconds.
So we waited 30 seconds, now we're gonna wipe it off. For the first wipe, take this towel, just wipe it in straight lines, all the way down. Now you take your second towel, the fluffy side, you just buff it out in circles.
All right, so now we're doing the other side of the hood, and now you just want to spray about 2 to 3 pumps, and then you lay the coating down. All right. So again, you do the cross pattern. And then you want to frame it around. Now you just do side to side. All right, so we completed all the paint work. Now we're gonna be doing the glass. This product can be used on the glass. So you can use the same sponge if you'd like, or you can get a new one. Just remember, you have to use like about 6 pumps to start with. Since I'm using the same one, you just use 2 to 3 pumps again. So you spray it on your sponge. And then again, same as the paint, you just do that cross pattern again. Then you just wanna frame it. And then you just want to do a side-to-side motion. And then you want to do up and down.
Just like the paint, you use the microfiber to wipe down in straight motions. Now you take your second microfiber, the fluffy side, and you buff it out.
Alright, so we are now done with our paint and glass, and as you can tell, it has increased the gloss of the vehicle.
So how slick is the surface? That's slick. So one last thing we want to talk about with our SHIELD Elite product is after you install the product or apply it to the vehicle, you want to let it sit for 24 hours dry. That way the coating has a chance to cure. If it gets wet before then, it just dilutes the product and it won't last up to 12 months like it should. The other thing we want to talk about is don't be fooled by the size of the bottle. It's an 8-ounce bottle. It's super concentrated. This bottle will actually apply coating to 14 to 16 mid-size vehicles. So again, we carry this in shop at Aegis Armors and online. If you got any questions, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Have a great day.